Pete, I wanted to speak about an issue now that's come up, and it relates to food inspections.
Yeah.
And of course, a couple of years ago, the provincial government took on this initiative as part of what they called it was basically a disclosure, a proactive disclosure measure to put restaurant inspections online for public viewing. And that was done under, from the perspective of being open and transparent, and for giving people the opportunity to be able to see restaurant inspections, and then they could make a choice, I guess, based on those public reports, and see if there's any issues in their favorite restaurants, or and make a determination whether they wanted to continue to eat there or not based on what the inspections were showing.
Mm-hmm.
And of course we had this, and I think that's a good thing. But of course we had this issue at Memorial University, which came up last week, issues with food and so on. And I guess coming from that, I guess brought to light the fact that unlike for private restaurants, when it comes to our public facilities, we're not doing the same thing. There's a double standard.
Now, I heard Danny Crowell answer this question in the House, and he said he thought that there was no reason that he could think of why we shouldn't expect them to do the same.
Well, yeah, and I agree with him. So my question would be to Minister Cromwell then, that if there's no reason to expect for them not to do the same, then it's been over 2 years since we did it for private industry. Mm-hmm. So he's the minister, so he needs to get it done. And I guess, we can question why hasn't it been done up to now, but on a go-forward basis, let's just look at it and let's get it done.
What would it require to get that done?
Well, I mean, basically, according to the department, that these inspections are being done. Mm-hmm. And I certainly hope they're being done. They say they're being done. I have no reason to believe that they're not being done. So it's just a matter of...
I would suggest that the complaints of the students recently might be some indication to suspect they're perhaps not being done, or being done effectively.
Well, and that could very well be. Although, in fairness, I think that they did release the food inspection reports. There was like 4 done in the last 2 years, I think, every 6 months, and they did release those. So, it showed that those were being done. Mm-hmm. And I can only hope that it's being done everywhere. Not, because when you think about it, Pete, we have long-term care homes all throughout the province with our seniors, our moms, our dads, our grandmothers, our grandfathers, and so on. They don't have a choice, unlike, with a restaurant where you can look at this and choose whether you want to eat there or not. These people really don't have a choice. They're served food at that particular facility, and I guess if they want to eat, they have to eat that food. We look at hospitals. People are going into the hospitals. Many people go into the hospital, obviously, because they have some sort of an illness. They're not well and what have you. In many cases, their immune systems and so on may be compromised. And so they're at even greater risk when it comes to being exposed to unhealthy foods and unsanitary practices and so on. Mm-hmm. We look at our schools where we send our children. I mean, we already know that in many cases we have kids that are doing gym class in the cafeteria and eating lunch at their desks, which I would question how sanitary that process is. But beyond that, they're being served food in a cafeteria, and we need to know, and parents should be able to go in and make sure and have assurances that the food preparation practices that are taking place in the schools are being done properly within standards, so that our children are not exposed to anything that they shouldn't be. So,
yep.
It makes all the sense in the world.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to find anybody.
We don't just get it done.
Nobody's going to argue against that. It just makes sense, and why not? I mean, these are important issues, and the information is there, so just get it out.
Absolutely. Yep. So, again, you're right. The minister, when I questioned him on this, as I did in the House of Assembly, yep. He said that he was going to ask staff, I think, to have a look at it, I believe was his words, or something to that effect. And, to which my reply would be, let's not ask to have a look at it, let's direct staff to get it done.
Right.
And I think that that's only reasonable in this day and age. Like I said, if we're going to do it for private restaurants so that people can have a choice, let's make sure that when it comes to our public institutions where we're dealing with many cases, vulnerable people who don't have a choice, let's make sure that we're protecting them, and that's what I call upon the Minister to do once again today.
Hear, hear. I'm with you.
All right. Have a good day, Pete. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Take care. We'll talk again.
Okay. Bye now.